Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about how to put a correct email subject line for invoice submission. Except from submitting the invoices on time, it is also very important to submit it properly following certain guidelines. At VCA, we send our individual invoices every 2 weeks or bi-weekly via email. These invoices are filtered and processed in the order it was received based on the subject line of your email. Thus, putting the right syntax in your email subject will ensure approval of your invoices on time and avoid delayed pay. Here's how. First, save your invoice as a PDF file and label it as your full name, space dash space your client's company name, space dash space invoice, space pound or hashtag, followed by your invoice number, space dash space the dollar amount. Second, compose an email and attach your invoice PDF file. Your subject line must be exactly similar to your invoice PDF file name. Your full name, space dash space your client's company name, space dash space invoice, space pound or hashtag, followed by your invoice number, space dash space the dollar amount. Take note that there is a space after the word invoice. Review your email and make sure the subject line conforms to the guideline and then hit that send button. Remember, as virtual assistants, we are all responsible in making sure that our invoices are sent correctly. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.